Guess what, guys? The new Hennasooq website is here. Yes, it is. And I'm so excited to share this website with you. No, you gotta watch the whole thing and wait till the end because I've got surprises for you on this brand new website that you guys are gonna love. Like, you guys are probably gonna be like, what were we waiting for? Like, why did it take this long to get to this point? But we got you because we heard what you guys needed and we responded, and I got it put together so that way it's seamless for you guys. So let me show you what we got going on. All right, so Hennasooq has got a brand new look. It's got new logo. It's got new colors. It is popping. And not only that, we are focusing on vegan products, natural hair products with no SLS, no pesticides, no trash ingredients, not even fragrances. I mean, we're talking about simply pure natural beauty at Hennasooq. Yes, we're focusing on that and bringing that to you so that way it's seamless for you. So why a new website and why now? I feel like in branding, you gotta evolve, you gotta update, you gotta keep on keeping it fresh because it gets boring. I mean, we want to keep it hot. We want henna to be exciting. We want henna to be your go-to for your hair care and all the Ayurvedic hair care products and all the body art products too, because there's a bit of a disconnect on our old website. I just found that it wasn't, like, people were comfortable with it because, you got used to it, but new people, sometimes it's a struggle. Like, if you don't know what henna is and you don't know what Ayurvedic hair care is, body art, you probably didn't even know we had body art products, like, this whole time, literally. This is just a way to give you bite-sized bits and pieces of exactly what you need, and also saving you time because when you have a focus, you don't necessarily have all this time to do all this research and whatnot. We want to make it easy and simple and give you a lot more at your fingertips so that you can get to those answers. So for example, number one, that hair quiz. I've been spending weeks upon weeks developing this quiz. I had to mind map it. I had to get the flow. I had to split it in the right ways. I had to get the henna and the body art and all those things together to make it really function and make sense, right? Because you're like, well, I want to know about color, but you don't necessarily want to know about body art or whatnot. So it really gives you, like, when you take this hair quiz, it really gives you the path and the direction that you need to take. So that's number one. This hair quiz, like no other, recorded by me for you and answering all your questions. And even if you have more questions, I got you. It kind of filters you through the process. And not only that, with that hair quiz, we got live chat. Right in the bottom right-hand corner of the website, you'll see this chat feature that you guys have been going crazy for. Like, it hasn't even been but a few weeks since the website went live, and the chat feature is like on point. It is so good. I'm so happy that you guys are using it and like loving it because it has really been helpful for us. It has been tremendously helpful because we get to answer your pressing questions really quickly, really easily. Track your order. If you have a website issue, if you need a product recommendation, you need a hair regimen plan, it is all there. And even if you're new to Hennasooq, we got a tab for you. So I mean, it is on point. It's got everything there. So I love that. If you're like, all right, I want to know about henna hair color, you just float over the shop and you're like, oh, henna hair color, it's broken down by all the ranges that I can choose from. Focuses on gray coverage. You got your henna hair dye supplies right there. That's at your fingertips. All your hair care focuses right in that category. Shop your hair type. I mean, how much easier can that be? And if you're like, well, I want a whole plan, all you do is go to hair regimen bundles, and those product bundles are not only product bundles, they are a complete hair regimen plan that lasts 6 to 8 weeks. Yes, literally. Those are free now. It's like a $99 value, absolutely free. And you get lifetime access. So all you have to do is replenish your products whenever you need, when you decide what you really like. And it gives you the opportunity to discover what your hair really likes. And if you're not really sure where to start in the regimen plans, you go under featured and you've got all these amazing categories, including the hair regimen guide, breaking down where you can start. I mean, listen, restorative, dry hair, Ayurvedic, you want strength and growth, you want to start at the beginning, you got that. If you want that waist length hair, you're focusing on that, but you have fine and delicate hair strands. Or how about henna hair growth and strength, and you are ready for that next level. You want to incorporate henna into your hair growth regimen, and also a complete guide to color your hair naturally with henna and indigo. And again, all of these, if you click one, let's say we click the complete guide to henna hair color, right? Then it gives you a breakdown. It shows you all the products you're gonna get, step by step, a little video preview. I mean, everything is there at your fingertips. So I love that. I'm so excited about that. If you want to save some money, you got bundle and save, you know, even more savings. Like we added a whole bunch of new products that you can save more money. And one of our very exciting features, like one of my top favorite features of this whole website, is the replenish and save, which is a subscription plan. So all you do is go to this page and you'll see all the options of all the products that you'll be able to subscribe to and get it every month, maybe every 2 months or 3 months, and you will not run out. You'll be on the subscription, you'll be priority, you get free shipping, and you get to save 10% by subscribing to these products, these staple, basic, go-to products that you have to have in your hair regimen plan. Like these are the go-tos. So this also helps you know, like these are the basic go-tos that you should have in your regimen. And not only that, when you click one of these products, like let's say we go to Jamila Henna Hair Dye, we are talking clean hair, cruelty-free, natural ingredients, pesticide-free, PPD-free, vegan product, and 100% recyclable, because all those pouches that you find your products in are recyclable. And what I love about the product page, like every individual page has great photos, videos. I mean, the integrations on this new platform are crazy amazing. You get to know more about your products, get the details. Just click on that to get the ingredients, the how to. I mean, it's broken down. Like, so if you're not sure, like, I mean, now you're sure. You can watch a video and you can see all the ratings and reviews that people have left and more. Cherry pick product recommendations right here on the website. Oh my God, it's like crazy. I love it. We got ebooks. You can book your consultation, videos, the blog, the how-to, the buying guide too. We have a buying guide, and that'll also give you some more recommendations on what you can use that your hair will absolutely love. And we have a brand new how-to page, breaks down where to start and what you'll need, the videos of the week, our blog, take that hair quiz, don't forget. And then those videos are broken down by sections that are bite-sized, so that way you can go by category and be like, all right, okay, I see we got, you know, henna for beginners, we got henna hair dye, we got Ayurvedic hair care, body art recipes with henna and jagua, broken down right here at your fingertips. And you can even watch the video right on the screen. And watching those videos right here at your fingertips and scrolling through all the videos in that thread, I mean, that is so easy to do. I mean, like every time that you ask a question about like how can we make this easier and better, that's why this website was created. This is exactly why it is the way that it is. And my body art people, I did not forget you. We made the page broken down by hair care and body art, so you can focus specifically on body art and take the artist quiz. I mean, everything is broken down for you guys. We got jagua paste, jagua gel, henna paste in bulk as well. Just everything. And the body art course. I don't even know what to say. I'm in love with this website. And I hope you guys love it too. What's beautiful about the front of this website as well, as you scroll down, you get to see our best sellers. I mean, and just look at Brianna's hair. I mean, red rash henna hair dye. I mean, come on, look, boom, oh, gorgeous. And then you can choose the henna hair color that you deserve naturally. Choose from the tone so you get specific recommendations. So for example, if you want that copper tone, you click it and it brings you to the products that you will need to get that copper tone. So it really breaks it down by hair color and what you'll need exactly. If you have hair problems, because we got you covered, you just focus on, you know, these areas of the website that are about hair loss, dry hair, if you have scalp problems, fine and thin hair, weak and limp hair. I mean, you got you covered here. Like, all you do is click, say dry hair, right? You're like, well, what do I need for dry hair? These are all the products that will help you get those strands moisturized and fully hydrated. So this is perfect. All the products right at your fingertip. It's your hair, your way, so you can shop your hair type. Look at this, straight hair, wavy hair, curly, coily, locks, we got you, protective styling, something non-coloring. If you want that non-coloring products, what can you use? And oily hair, dry hair, and normal, and product features like our cocoa butter hair mask. And you can get your fall hair popping, you know, if you're transitioning into fall, winter, these are the product features that you can get. And you can even shop the look. You want your hair to look as gorgeous as Brianna's? Look, these 3 products will get you there. And you can see what's hot. Trending, shop what's hot. Look at all these products that are hot, that have been featured on social media. Right here, you can see them all. And look at that, see what's trending. All the videos at your fingertips, even a cute puppy. I hope you guys really love it. I'm so happy to share the new website with you and everything that it has become and what I've developed so that you guys can tap into that and get to all your hair goals really quickly, really seamlessly. And, you know, just have fun doing it, you know, doing your hair, having your self-care days, you'll get into your goals. And I'm happy to be in that journey with you. So whatever your hair type is, your hair texture, focuses, goals, whatever you have in mind, we got you covered. So you definitely got to head to the Hennasooq website and let me know what you think. I mean, do you like it? What are the pros and cons of the website? I would love your feedback. So thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and get all the notifications right here on YouTube so you don't miss any of my videos, because we are opening the location soon. It is coming up. 3-4 weeks will be open, so you don't want to miss any of the behind the scenes. I have an interview coming up as well, because you will not want to miss that. And I will see you next time, all right? Take care. Bye.